Hello my cookies. Today I'm going to show you how to make the creamiest red beans in a pressure cooker. And the best part, it's going to take under 1 hour including the soaking time. Yeah, magic, but we're going to do it. Let's cook. Start with your favorite brand of dried red kidney beans, and then we're just going to pour them into a bowl and sort them. Take out all the bad ones. We don't need those in there. Then rinse them, drain them, and pour them into a pot. Now, many recipes call for just using the beans dry, but they always take longer to cook in the pressure cooker. Then they still end up coming out all watery with no gravy, and I want better for my cookies. So we're going to do a quick soak. Just cover them with enough water to cover the beans completely. Then bring the beans to a boil and boil them for 5 minutes. Turn the heat off and let them sit there in the water for 20 to 25 minutes. And that's it for the quick soak. Not hard at all. Drain the excess water off and then set them aside. Now select saute and brown on our pressure cooker and add in some olive oil. Now add in the sausage and saute them until they are browned. When the sausage browns, remove them and add in the onion and bell pepper. Once that starts to brown, go ahead and add in the garlic and just stir it around for about 30 seconds. Now we can turn off the pot, stop the sauteing, and add in the beans. Now pour in the water, and don't worry, the measurements will be in that link in the description box. This part is very important. I'm only adding onion and garlic powder right now. I'm not using any salt at this point. If we use seasoning that contains salt, the beans won't get soft at all. So we want to hold off on the salt until the end of the cooking process. Stir it well. Lock the lid and the pressure releasing valve. And make sure you kind of press it down to make sure it's all the way down, because sometimes steam can release. Beans preset again and let it go for 11 minutes. Once the 11 minutes are up, carefully unlock the valve. When the pressure has settled, slowly open the lid away from your face, and don't be alarmed. It's still going to be a little bit watery, but we're not done. Now add in the sausage, the butter, and then stir it up. Lock the lid and the valve, go back to the beans preset, and now we're going to reduce the time to the lowest setting at 5 minutes and turn it on. When the 5 minutes are up, release the valve again and then slowly lift up the lid, and you can add in your Creole seasoning, Cajun seasoning, salt, pepper, whatever you like now, and stir it in. Cookies, behold the magic of a pressure cooker. Look how thick and creamy these beans are after only 16 minutes of pressure cooking. Now that quick soaking really makes a difference. All pressure cookers are not the same. So if your beans are not as thick as you'd like, just go ahead and turn on the saute brown setting and allow them to simmer for a few more minutes. It won't take long at all, and they will thicken up. Cookies, oh my god, and they smell amazing. We gotta plate this. And cookies, that is it for this recipe. If you'd like the measurements and ingredients, go ahead and click that link in the description box. As usual, if you have any questions, feel free to leave it down there in the comment section, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, cookies. Don't be like me and forget the cornbread. Do not forget the cornbread. But you guys know what I'm about to do. So until next time, be blessed. That's Lord.